If you want to make audio louder in DaVinci Resolve 20, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to increase volume, normalize your audio levels, and boost an entire track so your final export sounds clean, clear, and professional. Whether you're working on a voiceover, podcast, YouTube video, or any other edit, these methods will help you get your audio sounding much better in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and easy editing guides. Let's start with the fastest method, which is adjusting the volume line directly on the timeline. On the Edit page, find the audio clip you want to make louder. Hover your mouse over the horizontal white line running through the middle of the clip. Once your cursor changes, click and drag that line upward. As you do this, you'll see the decibel value increase, which boosts the clip volume. This is a super quick way to make a specific clip louder without opening any extra menus. If the audio only needs a small boost, this is often the simplest option. Next, let's use the inspector panel for more precise control. First, select the audio clip in your timeline. Then go to the top right and open the inspector. Inside the inspector, click the Audio tab if it isn't already selected. Here you'll find a volume slider that lets you increase or decrease the clip's level. Drag the slider to the right to make the audio louder, or type in a specific value if you want exact control. For example, if you enter 5.0, that gives you a precise volume boost instead of guessing by eye. This is really useful when you want consistency across multiple clips. Now, if your goal is to make sure the entire clip reaches a safe loudness level automatically, normalization is the best option. To do this, right-click one clip or select multiple clips at once, then choose Normalize Audio Levels. In the window that appears, set the mode to True Peak. After that, change the target level to -1.0 decibels. This tells DaVinci Resolve to raise the audio to the loudest safe point without causing clipping or distortion. It's especially helpful when your clips were recorded at different volumes and you want them to match more evenly. If you want to control volume for an entire track instead of just one clip, the mixer is the way to go. Open the mixer panel using the button in the top right. You'll see separate faders for each audio track, such as Audio 1 or Audio 2. Move the fader for the track upward to increase the volume for every clip on that track at the same time. This is perfect if all of your dialogue is on one track and you want a global boost without adjusting each clip individually. It also helps keep your workflow much faster when editing longer projects. A good workflow in DaVinci Resolve is to combine these methods. You can use the timeline line for quick edits, the inspector for exact clip adjustments, normalization for consistent safe levels, and the mixer for track-wide control. That way you have full flexibility depending on what kind of audio issue you're fixing. If your voice sounds too quiet, start with the clip volume. If multiple clips are inconsistent, normalize them. And if the whole track needs a lift, use the mixer. Also, remember to listen back with headphones or monitors after making changes. Sometimes audio may look fine visually, but you'll want to make sure it still sounds natural and doesn't peak too hard. A small adjustment can make a huge difference in the final quality of your video. So that's how to make audio louder in DaVinci Resolve 20, using volume adjustment, normalization, and the mixer. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.